नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियों। I'm JVM Professor Manju Sharma. Program name AMED third SEM. Subject name Curriculum Development and Comparative Education. Module name Primary Education in United States of America Evaluation System. University name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I am discussing topic primary education in United States of America evaluation system. School years are referred to as grades in the United States. The length of primary education varies from 4 to 7 years. Grades 1 to 4, 1 to 7. Each state determines what grade range constitutes primary education called elementary education. System evaluation refers to approaches to monitor and evaluate the performance of the education system as a whole. The main aims of system evaluation are to provide accountability information to the public and improve educational process and outcomes. The American examination system includes distributed accountability exams for use over the course of the school year, which measures the specific higher order skills that are articulated in the Common Core standards and state standards, as well as the basic knowledge. Countries with the best higher education system. United States of America, American education system is known to be one of the countries with best education system. Switzerland education system is applauded and is included the best education in the world list. The United States does not use written or oral national examinations to determine graduation from schools or access to further studies, and there is no national curriculum on which to base such examinations. School curricula are set by local school districts, private schools, and home schooling parents with reference to state standards and post secondary requirements. Post-secondary or territory curricula are determined by the individual institutions with reference to accreditation requirements, professional requirements, and the expectations of graduate programs and employers. There is considerable commonality across the US education system despite the absence of legally enforced national curricular or examinations. Common evaluation and assessment standards and tools are the result of the pressures of the competitive academic marketplace, the expectations and requirements of employers and state agencies, and the standards required by accrediting agencies and professional and research associations. The following links will take you information on important aspects of assessment and evaluation as practiced in the US education system. US grading systems, assessments, standardized tests, US credit systems, experimental credit conversion, counting, education units, comparing US and other credit systems. Education in the United States follows pattern similar to that in many systems. Early childhood education is followed by primary schools called elementary school in the United States, middle school, secondary school, and post-secondary territory education. Post-secondary education includes non-degree programs that lead to certificates and diplomas, plus 6 degrees levels. associate, bachelor, first professional, master, advanced, intermediate, and the research decorated. The US system does not offer a second or higher decorated, but does offer postdoctorate research programs, adult and continuing education, plus special education, cut across all education levels. System evaluation refers to approaches to monitor and evaluate the performance of the education system as a whole. The main aims of system evaluation are to provide accountability information to the public and to improve educational process and outcomes. What is the American exam system? There are no living exams in the USA. An American earns his or her high school diploma by successfully completing the required 4 years of study. There may be exam or test in the individual classes, but there is no national exam. The SET and the ACT are commercial exams designed to assess college readiness. Evaluation education has great importance in teaching learning process following common purpose of evaluation. Diagnostic evaluation is a continuous and comprehensive process, helps the teacher in finding out the program. It helps a teacher in cutting the problem of his students. Evaluation is a process that critically examines a program. It involves collecting and analyzing information about a program's activities, characteristics, and outcomes. Its purpose is to make judgments about program, to improve its effectiveness, and or to inform programming decisions. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Have you any query? Write in comment box to resolve your query. Thank you.